In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Coursera certificates and their verification URLs. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to view your achievements, download official PDFs, and copy the unique links you can share with employers or schools. First, head to Coursera and make sure you're signed in. Look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your account menu, usually represented by your profile photo or initials. Click that to open the dropdown. From here, choose accomplishments if you see it right away. On many accounts, this takes you straight to the page that lists your completed courses, specializations, and certificates. If you don't see accomplishments in the drop-down, click Profile instead. Once your profile opens, navigate to the Education or Accomplishments section. Depending on your layout, it might appear as a tab, a sidebar link, or a section you can scroll to. On the Accomplishments page or within the Education or Accomplishments section of your profile, you'll find a clean list of everything you've earned. Each entry typically shows the course or program name and your completion status. Click into a specific item to view more details. This detailed view is where you can access the official certificate and its verification information. To download a certificate, look for a Download or Download PDF button. Clicking this will generate a PDF file you can save to your device. It's a good idea to store these in a dedicated folder and give the files clear names, so they're easy to find when you need them. The PDF usually includes your name, the course title, the issuing partner, and the date of completion, which makes it suitable for applications or records. Right alongside the download option, you'll find the certificate's unique verification URL. This link points to a public page on Coursera that confirms the certificate's authenticity. Copy the URL to your clipboard and paste it wherever you plan to share it, such as on a resume, portfolio site, or application form. If you're sharing multiple certificates, keep a quick list of the URLs so you can reference them later without repeating the process. If you don't immediately see accomplishments or education, don't worry. Interfaces can vary, but the content is the same. Use the account menu to reach your profile, then look for education or accomplishments, open the certificate you want, download the PDF, and copy the verification URL. That's all you need to securely access, save, and share your Coursera achievements.